Okay. So this is the Rjwc Crossflow. I got the Crossflow because, if I can get it open here, because I wanted something different than everybody else, and nobody really has this one. So I was like, why not? Bunch of tools. And so now here to Kim, you please help me out here. Hold on. Yeah, I need that to hold the box and pull it. Yeah. Rjwc Crossflow. Yeah, this is a pretty hefty price for an exhaust. You can get an HMF for about $350. This is in the higher 400s. But anyways, I'm gonna put this on the bike and then I will get you guys there. Okay, boys, well, we finally got the exhaust off, sitting right here. So I'm gonna do a quick little straight pipe. Sounds pretty good. Now, I'm gonna put this bad girl on. So let me put her on and then I'll get back to you. This.
Record what?
Here. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I finally have this exhaust on. It looks so freaking good on here. We're gonna crank it up and see how it sounds. I think I've already done this. It sounds so good. Now my battery's at 4%, but I do want to tell you guys I got something coming for the front and something for this. Got some ring lights for the back also. Found out that there was water in my gas. Fixed that, put some heat in it. I made a custom shifter knob. It fits my hand perfectly. Just grab it right here. It literally fits my hand perfectly. If you guys want me to make one for you guys, contact me on Instagram, TaylorBonnet16, and I can make one for about $45 and ship it to you guys. $45, $50, depending what you want. I can ship it for you. I made this myself. Works really good. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. The riding video will be coming out. I did riding today without the exhaust because I did something to it. I will explain that in the description. Hope you guys love this video, and God bless. Okay, so let me explain real quick, guys. What happened is I got the exhaust on last night. I put the O2 sensor in. Yeah, I look terrible right now. So I put the O2 sensor in, all that other stuff, and when I rode it, it started bogging out, cutting off, backfiring. Well, turns out I went riding today, guys. My father and I, we went to 2 riding parks because the first one was closed. This is gonna be. It's like I created this video on Friday. I'm probably gonna post it tonight. But like as I was saying, we went riding, and 30 minutes in gave me trouble. Packed up. We went home, and I found out that there was water in my gas. So I put some of that like heat liquid stuff in there. Worked perfectly fine. It runs great now. I'm getting it tuned in about a couple days on Monday. So the next riding video, I did film a riding video. I'm gonna throw this in here real quick, so please just don't click off. I actually had somebody who complained at me. It's all on GoPro. I will throw in the footage that I had at first because it doesn't make a full video to make this video longer. But I'm super excited about the Rjwc. I made the shifter. If you guys want one, contact me. Leave it down in the comments. I will give you a price, and including the payment for shipping. FYI, if you want one for the Rjwc, it's going to be $39 plus $18 in shipping. Don't know if you want to pay that, but I can do it for about $55, $60, which includes shipping, and it's actual metal, not plastic for the well, I don't know what they're made of, but I can make one for you guys. But I'm just filling you guys in because I've not posted a video. Yes, I know I look terrible, and I'm so sorry for this. Yeah, so long story short, before I post this video about today's ride, is I actually unloaded all my stuff. I threw on the stock exhaust back on because the first one was because the Rjwc was giving me trouble. I thought it was because it was running so lean, but it wasn't. And so then I got off the trailer. 5 minutes into a ride, I go through a mud hole, somewhat fast, like 15 miles an hour, and I accidentally splashed this guy in this X3 at River Run today, and he shouts at me. And man, I want to say so many things, but to me, being my Christian self, I didn't. For the people who watch me and who are close to me, you guys are proud of me. But for the people who don't, man, I really did want to cuss that guy out. I wanted to so bad, but I didn't. Because it's a Christian thing to do, remember? And yeah, so that's that. We went riding, started cut off. I brought it back home, put heat in it. It runs fine now. Just got home about a couple hours ago. That's why I'm posting this video. And I know you guys want to click off, but just please watch this because I want to inform you guys. Next video will be with it being tuned. I will throw that in there. I do have halos coming in. That's going to be installed the next week. And I have a lot of stuff planned, guys. So I also have a mud strap coming in that I would love for you guys to go buy if you use my promo code that I will be putting down at I forgot the website. I believe it's Super Mud Straps or something like that. You can save 15%. Just use my promo code. You guys can save money. They did a custom mud strap for me, and I want you guys to have these awesome things that I'm using. Now for tuning goes, Rjwc did come out with a tuner for the 22 XMRs. Don't know if it's for the 570, but I do know that it is for the 650. I'm getting my ECU flashed somehow, and I'm getting a few things done to it for my tires. And yeah, so I don't really have anything else to tell you guys. So yeah, the next video is going to be a little bit more, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. What would you guys like to be added to the 650? Because I want to know. No lifts, nothing like that, but just tell me. So yeah, that's what I did on in this. The Rjwc, by the way, I can. So if you go to Instagram and if you follow Can-Am Girl, she can actually get you a 15% discount code on Rjwc. So instead of paying $600, you actually pay $505. Saves a lot of money. It will take about 3 days. It comes from Sweden. I love it because the Rjwc crossbow sounds like nobody else's. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. New content coming soon, and have a blessed day. And here's the video.